Every day you walk into your clinic and give your patients everything you've got. Every consultation, every treatment. That's where your time and focus goes. But at the end of a long day, there's still SEO, emails, social media, and follow-ups all waiting to be handled. At Today's Dental Services, we handle everything from SEO, email marketing, and social media to patient reactivation, blogging, and performance tracking. Google changes its rules constantly. We make sure your practice always shows up when someone nearby searches for a dentist, right at the top. We send the right email to the right patient at the right time, straight to their inbox, not their spam folder, bringing them back through your door. We keep your social media active with engaging content that builds trust, visibility, and attracts new patients. We create helpful blog content that answers patient questions, builds trust, and helps your practice rank higher on Google. Instead of drowning in data, you get one clean monthly report. Clear, simple, and easy to act on. Today's Dental Services, keeping your marketing healthy so your practice keeps growing.